Good evening. Uh, Today I'm gonna discuss about the laboratory exercise. So the requirement was to use the Gauss-Jordan method uh, to compute for this linear equation. So the requirement is to use MATLAB to put the code, then be able to solve for the answer. So first, I downloaded the MATLAB already. So uh, then, based on the input, uh, our matrix for the linear equation will be something like this. So base 1, 3, 2, then this is the coefficient, then the constants. So I use the MATLAB to ask for the input for the coefficient, then ask for the constant. So to test this, I need to try to run it first. So we must ask for the input. So I name my program test for now. Then so it's asking for the coefficient. So this is the value, the array for the coefficient. Then asking for the constant, which is this values. So I already plotted it already here. So it displayed the our matrix for this linear equation. Then, based on the lecture, so the method is uh, using the uh, matrix for the A11, A22, A33, and so on. So, uh, the row 1, R2, and R3. So, the method was to uh, change the second row to 0 and change the third row to 0. So how to do that? We need to uh, do a looping. So first, based on the input, we need to get the size of the array. So this code will get the size of the array. Then this for loop will loop for the rows, for the columns. Then we need to get the value of the A11. So we must divide the number by the loop. Then, so to test this, so we're already so this was the input. Then we displayed the pivot, the value getting the A11, A22, A33, and A44. So now we must look again for the rows. compute for the value. So this is the loop for the rows. Then I added this, so it will only uh, get for the correct point. So I added this multiplier. So all in all, to run this code, so this is the final output. So to check, uh, uh, I we have a calculator. So the values is the same. I already inputted the values for this calculator. So let's try it again. So we have a matrix of 4 and 5. So the values are 1, 3, 2, 4, 6. This one, this one, this one. So if we calculate, so the answer here will be the same. So I that's the answer. So another requirement to answer. Um, so I choose this method because I'm used to doing for loop, so looping it. So fortunately, I am not well versed with MATLAB, so I can only do some. I can understand C++ plus plus or other programming language, but I've struggled coding in this MATLAB. Then, so to conclude on this activity, there are many ways, right, to do the to display the result. So, but it's up to you. Just as long as the logic is correct, the logic is working, you'll be able to get the correct result. That's it. Thank you.